Just a friendly reminder, if you haven't filed your tax return yet, you better get going.
That's right. The Internal Revenue Service's tax return deadline for taxpayers is today, April 18th. Fox 14 has the details you need to know if you haven't started.
It's the earliest you've had to file in a few years. In 2020, the pandemic pushed the deadline back to July, and last year, taxes were due in mid-May. You even had a few extra days this year to file. Emancipation Day, which was yesterday, is a federal holiday and was celebrated on Friday, so IRS employees had the day off. Filing late may be a bit hectic this year. H&R Block's Chief Tax Officer, Kathy Pickering, explains why.
There are a variety of changes people will notice when filing taxes this year. There were expansions in the tax code designed to help the U.S. economy and families recover from the pandemic. There's more money for more people, from new incentives to help families and people get back to work, to programs that help businesses hire.
A lot of you can kick back and relax today because you didn't procrastinate. Through April 1st, the IRS said it has processed more than 89 million individual federal tax returns. But if you're one of the ones who hasn't gotten around to it yet, Grace Lewis, a CPA who runs a tax and accounting firm out of Brandon, Florida, gave me a few last-minute tips to share with you. The IRS computer system may be backed up with so many people rushing to get their taxes done, so you're going to want to get it done ASAP. Number 2, don't mail in your tax return on paper because you might not even get that refund by Christmas. Grace says the IRS is still opening mail from 2020, so yours could be on backlog if you mail it in. And finally, if you're filing an extension, it's only an extension of time to file, not to pay what you owe. If you think you're going to owe money, you need to pay it. Grace said at least 90% of your total tax that you owe has to be sent in, or you could face penalties.
The expanded child tax credit and new monthly advance payments could lead to a change in your tax refund.
Which means, parents, it is key that you file your 2021 taxes so you don't miss out on possibly hundreds or even thousands of dollars from the federal government. The first 6 payments of the child tax credits from the American Rescue Plan Act that was passed in March of 2021 were given out monthly last July to December. More than 36 million families received checks totaling $93 billion, according to the IRS. Lewis says you have to report what you already received on your 2021 tax return to get the rest of what you're owed. Now, the IRS says the fastest way to get your refund money is to file online and have it direct deposited. The agency says most Americans should get their refund checks within 3 weeks of filing.
The IRS estimated 15 million taxpayers will request an extension of time to file this year. The easiest way to request an extension to file is using Form 4868. In a matter of minutes, anyone can request an extension until October 17th. And remember, an extension of time to file is not an extension of time to pay. Taxpayers must estimate their tax liability on this form and pay any amount due by April 18th to avoid penalties and interest.